When an irrigation zone won't turn on, one of the first things people check is whether the water supply is on. They also check whether the controller is running as expected. If both of those things are true, water is on, the controller runs, and nothing still happens, that combination is meaningful. It tells you the problem is probably not global. If the main water supply is on, other fixtures usually work. And if the controller runs programs normally, it's receiving power and functioning at a basic level. That means the system is capable of operating. So when nothing happens at a specific zone, the issue is usually somewhere between those 2 points. This situation often narrows the problem to a smaller set of possibilities. Most commonly, it points to something interrupting flow or signal at the zone level. That could be an electrical issue, like a wiring break or a failed solenoid. Or it could be a mechanical restriction that prevents the valve from opening, even though water is available. What matters is that you don't need to question the entire system anymore. A common mistake here is assuming that because water is on, the valve must be bad. But water being present doesn't mean the valve is being told to open. Likewise, a running controller doesn't guarantee the signal is reaching the valve. Those two facts together tell you where to focus next, not what to replace. The next useful step is to separate signal from flow. Listen for sound at the valve. Compare the behavior to a zone that works. Notice whether anything changes when the zone is supposed to activate. Those observations will usually tell you whether the problem is electrical or mechanical before you touch anything. If you're dealing with a zone where the water is on, the controller runs, and nothing still happens, the diagnostic guide linked below walks through this situation in a clear order. It helps narrow the issue without guessing or unnecessary digging. When the basics check out and nothing changes, that's not confusion, it's direction. Diagnosis before replacement.